Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your HR account with JP Morgan Chase HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in me.jpmorganchase.com and press enter. You will now be asked to enter your standard ID or your login username. Go ahead and type in your username that you set up while creating your HR account and then click on the continue button. After clicking on continue, you will be asked to enter your account password. So go ahead and type in your account password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your HR account with JP Morgan Chase right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the reset option in the next screen, within which you will need to enter your password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your JP Morgan Chase HR account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.